I love my iMac Pro. It's a stylish and powerful computer. It allows me to do my job and it looks cool while I do it. However, there's one major flaw in the design of the iMac. It doesn't adjust vertically. You can't move the screen up or down. It's ergonomically disadvantaged. So today I want to do something to fix that. I'm Andy Clayton and I make videos about lots of different subjects, not just technology. So if you want to see more, please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. There's no doubt that the iMac looks wonderful and there's not an awful lot I'd change about it. Perhaps a smaller bezel would be nice, but the main thing is the addition of a height adjustable stand. Who knows, in the future we may see an iMac that has that feature built in, like the astonishingly expensive stand for the new Pro display Apple announced at WWDC. But for now, the only way you can raise an iMac is to either use a VESA mount or, as I have done, balance it on a book. Yes, it's an old book, I definitely should have chucked that out a long time ago. A much better solution is to use a stand. There are lots on the market, and having researched what's available, I've done what any sensible person would do under these circumstances and gone for the most expensive option. The truth is that while there are cheaper solutions available, and one of those could easily be the right one depending on your circumstances, my choice, while a little on the pricey side, offers all that I'm looking for. My new stand is the HiRise Pro Adjustable by 12 South. At the slightly alarming price of £149.95. Yes, I've got one of these left after starting with 150 quid for a stand. So let's take it out of the box. You can see that it comes in a few small bits and needs to be assembled. That's not difficult as the two halves of the stand slot easily together. Then it's just a case of adding the back and front. The former slots in place, adding rigidity, and the reversible front attaches to the stand with magnets. It's a much better look to my system, I'm sure you'll agree. So is it worth it? There's no doubt that the HiRise Pro is a great deal of money for what it is. However, it's very well constructed, of solid feeling aluminium that very easily takes the not inconsiderable weight of an iMac. It has a nice leather top to put things on, useful storage space inside and well thought out cable management. And let's not forget the reversible front, depending on whether you want to obtain wood or not. If you have an iMac, especially an iMac Pro, there's a good chance you're in some kind of creative industry. And let's be honest, us creative types want to have nice things to do our work on. Frankly, after having spent mega money on the computer, why would you buy a cheap stand to put it on? Or an out-of-date iOS programming book? I mean, who would do that? VESA was a definite option for me, especially as I have a monitor arm in my loft. However, I've read mixed reviews about the quality of Apple's VESA mount, so ultimately I decided against that in the end. Do you agree with my purchase, or do you have a better way of raising your iMac? Be sure to leave your comments below, as I always like to hear what you think. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and please subscribe to the channel for loads more content coming your way. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Andy Clayton. I'll catch you next time.